Alright, so this is a quick, fast masala tea hack which will take you no longer than 1 minute. And it will taste almost as good as a masala tea, which takes a few hours in a pan. So, what you can see here are the ingredients. So we've got a tea bag, sugar to taste, cardamom pods. So it's keeping it simple. You can add other spices if you want, star anise, cinnamon, but this is just a very quick one. So first, number one, turn the kettle on. Kettle's going. Bit of milk goes in, like that. Then in goes the ingredients. Now, quick way, let's break these in a while. That goes in. Then, straight to the microwave. Uh, 45 seconds. And that's it, we're good to go. So, look at that. So what's basically happened is the cardamom is kind of fused more with the milk. The sugar's slightly caramelized because of the heat. The tea bag's in there, so you're getting a more sort of concentrated sort of tea. Water's ready. In that goes. Okay, yeah, so just get a spoon. I just mix it around a little bit. Strain the tea bag. Like that. Take out the cardamom pods. Now, the most important thing is the taste test. I've got a very special guest here with me today, who's a connoisseur when it comes to masala tea and karak chais. We have none other than Food Cartel and Taylor. Right, yeah, I'm a little nervous.
Oh, can't wait for this.
I'm nervous, man.
So this is
because I know how much you like your masala tea or karak chai.
I'm quite an expert at masala tea after all these years. I've been trained well, but I think this is the first express masala tea.
Yeah.
That
Smell
I've
it first
ever
and tell me
had.
what your initial thoughts are. Is it kind of small?
No, I can smell a bit of cardamom. Yeah, it's quite sort of gentle. It's a strong cup of tea. I've got that from it. So a bit of a caffeine boost. Let's have a little taste.
It's too hot. It's too hot for you, isn't it?
It's too hard for me. I'm a win, but I got it.
Some initial thoughts.
Nice. The cardamon's coming through. It's very hot. It's very strong tea. It's made a good cup of tea there. So that's my sort of British side coming out. I like a good cup of tea. But I love the spicing from the cardamom as well. Nice sweetness from the sugar. That is really good actually. You'd say it took, how long did it take? A minute?
Literally a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really like that and highly recommend it. If you're short on time, if you're going to a VIP restaurant opening next, then a minute won't hold you back from having a perfect cup of masala tea. Would you add any more spices to that?
It's down to your personal preference. It'd be nice with a bit of cinnamon, I think. Star anise in there. It's even ginger. You know, if you've got a bit of a cold, fresh ginger in there, perfect.
Yeah. See, there you go. Top tips. So get there, get your microwave, get a cup, a tea bag, spices, sugar, and whole milk, and that's it. Make yourself the perfect cuppa.
Yeah.